Bagalkot for mathematics class of standard 7th. In the previous class we have seen some criteria for the congruence. Which criteria we have seen? We have seen SSS, SAS, ASA and RHS criteria we have seen. Now on this base only today we are solving exercise 7.2. Okay, see in the exercise 7.2 first main you see there, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? They are given here, see some conditions they are given. See two triangles are there. Which are the two triangles? They are ABC and DEF. ABC and DEF. DEF are the two triangles. In that, what is given? See, some things are given. Which are the given things they say here? AC is equal to DF. AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF. Here see, AC is equal to DF. Okay. Then AB is equal to DE. BC is equal to EF. That means side criteria it is. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now what we have to do here? Which criterion is used here? Which criteria is used here? Yes criteria. Criterion is used here. Finish. Just by seeing the given things, which criteria is used here, you have to write. This is A. Now the same way B. See diagram I am going to draw. Here PQR, this is PQR XYZ. Okay, see this is X, Y and Z. Here what conditions they have given? Given things. Given ZX is equal to RP. RQ is equal to ZY. Angle PRQ is equal to angle XZY. Okay. So what they have given? So triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay. Which criterion used here? ZX is equal to RP. Okay. Then RQ. This is RQ. RQ is equal to ZY. In between two sides, in between angle R is equal to angle Z. Angle R equal to angle Z is given. So side, angle, side. Which criteria? SAS criterion is used. SAS criterion is used here. So like this, which criterion is used, you have to write. Then next, the first main, that is C. Okay. Then okay, LMN, then FGH. Okay. Then what are the given criteria? Angle MLN, angle MLN is equal to angle FGH. Okay. Then angle NML is equal to angle GFH. Then ML equal to FG. So triangle LMN is congruent to triangle FGH. Okay, see here, two angles one side. Two angles L and M. L and M are equal to G and F. And side ML is equal to FG. Two angles included side. That means here. So which criteria? ASA criterion is used. This is what, which criteria used, we have to write there. Then the same way, fourth one also, diagram and conditions given. See, two right angle triangles are there. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, and this is E. Now this equal to this, then this side equal to this side. This is 90 degree. Yesterday I explained you. Right angle triangle hypotenuse and a side. One right angle triangle hypotenuse will be there. Two sides will be there. In that two, any one must be equal. Here see, hypotenuse equal. Side, instead of this and this side, no problem. Okay. So they have given like that only. EB equal to DB, given EB equal to DB, AE equal to BC, angle A equal to angle C equal to 90 degree. These two are 90 degree. Then, so triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CDB. Which criterion used here? RHS criterion is used here. Criterion is used. So this is what method of solving the problems using the criteria. Okay. You take this second main I am going to solve. See here, second main. In the second main, two triangles are congruent. Which are the two triangles? ART and PEN. Okay, see here. ART triangle is congruent to PEN. These two triangles are congruent, they are saying. If they are congruent means, see here, AR must be equal to PE. I hope you are following. Second one, RT must be equal to EN. RT must be equal to EN. Then the third side, AT must be equal to PN. PN. So already they are congruent here. Congruent means AR is a side, then side must be equal. This also side must be equal. This also side must be equal, means SSS criterion, through the SSS criterion, these two triangles are congruent. Then for the same figure B, angle T is equal to angle N. Angle T is equal to angle N. Okay. Then RT and PN. This is angle. Angle means two sides they have given. Which sides they are? RT. RT means RT must be equal to EN. Then second one PN. PN must be equal to AT. Okay. Then C. If it is given that AT equal to PN, AT equal to PN, see here, AT equal to PN, and you are to use ASA criterion, you need to have AT equal to PN means A must be equal to P, angle A must be equal to angle P, and angle T must be equal to angle N, because here ASA criterion, angle side angle criterion. So according to that, this is what second main. The same way, on the same base only, third one, they have given one box. Third one, triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. Then some box they have given. In that box, first one, PM equal to QM. PM equal to QM. This is nothing but given. In the reason you have to write given it is. Okay. Then because in the figure you see it is given. PM is, see this is given figure. In this given figure, see like this means these two are equal. That means A, P, M, Q. See here, these two sides are equal. PM equal to MQ, and this M angles are equal. So PM equal to QM is given. Where it is given? In the figure it is given. In the figure it is given. Next thing, angle PMA is equal to angle QMA. See here, angle PMA is equal to angle QMA. That also is given. Then third one, AM is equal to AM. AM is equal to AM. That is a common side. That is common side for the both the triangles. Common side. Then fourth one, triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. Yes, by which criteria? See here, side, angle, side. So that is by SAS criteria. By SAS criterion, these two are congruent. Okay, this is what the third main. The same way now fourth main, we'll see what it is. In triangle ABC, angle A is 30, B is 40, C is 110. In PQR, P is 30, Q is 40, R is 110. That means AAA AA in sometimes if three angles of one triangle are equal to the three angles of other triangle correspondence angles, if they are equal, that need not be congruent, and always they will be not congruent. Okay, try to understand the point. Sometimes when we extend them, when we enlarge it, it may different. So that's what. So a student says that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not? See, you take the question, direct I'll give the answer. See, fourth one, triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle PQR by AAA criteria. Okay, not, that means triangle ABC not congruent to triangle PQR by AAA. Why? Because not congruent. Because why? Because the two triangles with equal, because the two triangles with equal correspondence angles with equal corresponding angles need not be congruent. Angles need not be congruent. Okay, this is what the reason for that. Then the fifth one, two triangles are given. See here, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. So this is ART, and this is WON. Which sides are equal? This and this are equal. This and this are equal. One side and one angle, and this angle, and this angle, okay, and then this angle and this angle are equal. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle here. We can write triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON. How? See here, AT is equal to, by figure, AT is equal to NO. Okay. Then AR equal to WO. Okay. Then two sides finished. Now angle RAT equal to angle WON. So by SAS criteria, criterion, triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON. This is not the fifth main, so please take carefully. Okay, this is up to there fourth, and up to here it is fifth one. Okay, remaining four mains I'll continue in the next session. Okay, thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.